Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable calendar synchronization in the TenantApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the Edit Settings button. And next to the Enable Calendar Sync section, click on the white circle. And then click on the Yes button. And once there's a tick inside the circle, the calendar synchronization is on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.